In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat in a few simple steps. This integration is a fantastic way to add smarter, automated content generation to your Wix site, all without getting lost in the setup process. You'll be able to speed up your workflow, create more engaging chat experiences, and make your site feel more dynamic and useful for visitors. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Wix dashboard. If you're not, go ahead and log in now. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the side panel. You should see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where Wix keeps all the tools and integrations that you can add to enhance your website. Now, within the Apps section, you'll want to navigate to the App Market. The App Market is where you can search for different apps and features that will extend what your website can do. Once you're in the App Market, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in ChatGPT into that search bar. This will bring up all the available ChatGPT-related apps and integrations that are currently available inside Wix. Take a moment to browse through the search results. You're specifically looking for an app called Poco ChatGPT Content Generator. This is the app you want for our setup today. Go ahead and click on it to open the app details page. This will give you more information before you decide to add it to your site. Once the app page opens, you'll notice an option that says Add to Site. Click that button. Wix will now start the process of connecting the app to your website. After a moment, you'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Make sure to click Agree and Add to continue. This gives Wix permission to install the app and connect it properly within your site's environment. After you've confirmed the installation, Wix will take care of finishing everything up in the background. Depending on your site and the Wix account specifics, this process may take a moment or two. Just hang tight. Once it's complete, the ChatGPT-based content generator will be connected to your Wix site and ready to use alongside your chat or content workflow. Now that you've successfully integrated OpenAI ChatGPT with your Wix site using the Wix App Market, you can dive into the app settings. This is where the fun begins. You get to customize how the content generator behaves, fit it to your specific needs, and really start leveraging its capabilities to enhance your site's chat and content functionalities. If you're building a business site, a dedicated support page, or perhaps a content-heavy website, this kind of integration can be a true game changer. It's designed to save you time while improving the user experience for your visitors. They'll